Celulose Nipo-Brasileira S.A. Cenibra belongs to Japan Brazil Paper and Pulp Resources Department, JBP, a group of Japanese companies whose major shareholder is Oji Holdings. Integrated into the Brazilian culture since 1973, Cenibra currently employs more than 8,000 people, comprising employees and outsourced personnel. Cenibra has always reconciled the best practices in technological development, environmental preservation, and social investment. Our view overcomes obstacles and challenges. As a result, the company secures a high-quality level in wood, processes, and the final product, while complying with the strictest ethical values. In short, sustainability is present in every minor detail. The first step for eucalyptus to grow to its full potential in the field and become high-quality pulp is to take special care in its early stages of growth. Featuring an ergonomically efficient structure, the seedlings nursery produces eucalyptus seedlings through cloning techniques. It has adopted numerous technological, engineering, and process innovations in the fields of occupational health, environment, fertile irrigation, and automation, which allow the control of production parameters such as temperature, humidity, light, nutrients, and water. Great care is taken to ensure our wood meets stringent quality requirements. We use state-of-the-art equipment and the most modern forestry techniques, aimed at ensuring compliance with standards of excellence throughout the process. Cenibra manages 254,000 hectares of land, of which 51% are planted with eucalyptus, 41% are permanent preservation and legal reserve areas, and the remainder corresponds to other uses. Cenibra has had a forestation incentive program in place since 1985. It strengthens the bonds between the company and local forest farmers, on top of representing a supplemental source of wood for the factory and an excellent income alternative for participants. Moreover, the initiative benefits the environment and society at large. When carrying out its activities, the company takes all necessary environmental precautions. To ensure the long-term sustainability of resources vital for future generations. Cenibra monitors, recovers, protects, and expands biodiversity in more than 105,000 hectares, containing thousands of species of wildlife, supported by a rich native flora. These areas house more than 4,500 springs that supply water to neighboring populations and the entire Doce River Basin. At the plant, eucalyptus logs are chopped and processed into chips, which in turn are cooked in digesters. The cellulose pulp is then washed and bleached. The resulting product is dried and processed into bales for subsequent packaging and storage in warehouses. As recognition for our work in line with the highest international standards of excellence, Cenibra has been certified to standards ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO IEC 17.025. We also hold certifications issued by the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, and the Brazilian Forest Certification Program, Surflor-PFSC. Cenibra also holds an ASIGA certificate. Certificates issued by this German institute are based on a thorough technical analysis, thus ensuring full compliance with American, European, and German legislation. Investments are made in equipment upgrades in synergy with investments in environment and safety. On top of that, a modern maintenance facility ensures equipment integrity and high performance. In the case of foreign customers, Cenibra's pulp Portacel is conveyed by rail cars up to the Barra do Rocio terminal, also known as Portacel. Located in the intrastate of Espírito Santo, it is the only Brazilian port specialized in pulp handling. Shipment is carried out 100% of exports through special vessels, taking Cenibra's product to Portacel, the main pulp distribution terminals around the world. Shipments to local customers are made by road. Cenibra Inc. and Cenibra International are our foreign trade arms. Cenibra's pulp is present in major world markets such as Asia, Europe, and North America, and is used to manufacture sanitary paper, special papers, B&W paper, and paperboard. Environmental emissions are compliant with the principles of Ecolabel's ecological certification. Investments have made it possible to continuously reduce water consumption in the manufacturing process over the years and improve our environmental performance. All effluents are properly treated in accordance with applicable legislation before disposal into the Doce River. As an international benchmark, the Mutum Project has been active in the reintroduction of endangered bird species for decades. This project is conducted at Macedonia Farm, an environmental education and preservation unit recognized by the Brazilian Environmental and Renewable Natural Resources Institute, IBAMA, as a private natural heritage reserve. Located on the banks of the Doce River, this PNHR lodges one of the main Atlantic forest remnants in the state of Minas Gerais. Since its beginning, the Mutum Project enabled the reintroduction of the red-billed curassow and several other species such as the solitary tinamu, spot-winged wood quail, yellow-legged tinamu, brown tinamu, dusty-legged guan, and black-fronted piping guan. Cenibra recognizes the best practices in technological development, environmental preservation, and social investment. The company's employees are highly qualified and committed to the shareholders' guidelines. The Quality of Life program is an important differential when it comes to keeping the team motivated. This program includes healthcare, wellness, professional development, and education of employees and their children. Joining efforts to transform. This is the premise Cenibra Institute. Founded in 2002, the Institute prioritizes the integrated development of the 54 municipalities in which Cenibra operates. The Institute has been engaged in projects in the fields of education, environment, digital inclusion, job and income generation, cultural rescue, sports, and citizenship. In addition to its own projects, the Institute also supports various initiatives by society organizations. All actions take into account parameters of human development and social responsibility, as well as the economic and cultural specificities of each municipality, in line with the strictest ethical and compliance criteria. The company makes use of incentive laws to support various projects in culture, sports, health, and the rights of children, teens, and the elderly. Such initiatives enable the business continuation and interaction of Cenibra and its various processes with society. In Cenibra's view, operating in harmony with the environment and communities is the key to ensuring the company's long-term existence and the next generation's future.